Welcome to the Dell AI Kitchen. I'm Sarah Puckett from Dell Technologies, and today we're showing how AI moves from concept to impact across real industries.
I'm David Morgan from CyberLink, and we'll be cooking 3 AI recipes, each tailored to a different vertical, but all powered by the same foundation.
Our hardware ingredient is a Dell Copilot PC powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, delivering 40+ TOPS of AI performance with a CPU, GPU, and dedicated NPU working together to accelerate AI locally.
Our software ingredients, Promeo, PhotoDirector, and PowerDirector, are optimized to take advantage of on-device Intel AI performance.
If you operate an online storefront, then you know strong product visuals and creatives often shape a customer's first impression of a brand. But creating and refreshing that content at scale is a major challenge. Brands need a constant stream of high-quality content to stay competitive, but producing that content can require a lot of time and budget, from creative decision-making and photo or video shoots to designing marketing posts for different channels.
That is where Promeo comes in. It helps e-commerce brands and marketers create polished marketing content faster, without the cost of studio shoots or heavy design work. With AI-powered tools that help guide creative decisions and simplify content creation, teams can quickly create product visuals, marketing posts, and campaign assets without any prior design experience. Let's start at the beginning. Instead of organizing a full photo shoot, we can generate our own AI models directly in Promeo. These models can be tailored to match your brand, giving you a consistent look without relying on external production. From there, AI Try-On allows us to place different outfits on a single model or across multiple models at once. So instead of reshooting for every variation or season, you can instantly create a lineup of product visuals.
Wow, that's an absolute game changer. That will save any apparel company hours of studio time that can be very expensive.
Absolutely, and we are only getting started with this recipe. Next, we can bring products into those scenes with AI product modeling. This lets us place items naturally into the environment, whether that is a model holding a product or interacting with it in a setting that fits the brand. Once we have those assets, batch editing makes it easy to scale. We can instantly resize images for different platforms, apply consistent branding, and add promotional elements like text or stickers across an entire product set.
That kind of efficiency is critical for e-commerce teams managing large catalogs and multiple channels at once. And the batch editor is powered locally on a Dell Copilot PC with Intel Core Ultra processors, using the GPU and NPU to accelerate AI tasks so teams can move quickly without depending on cloud processing.
Promeo's batch editor isn't even the most impressive on-device tool. AI Marketing Advisor currently holds that distinction. By uploading a small set of product images and defining the product, Promeo's AI Marketing Advisor generates full campaign-ready assets. Everything from store listing descriptions and visuals, ad creatives for the most popular platforms to specific social posts that include tailored imagery and captions to help you share your products with the right audience. And to bring everything together, AI Product Video Shoot transforms those images into short, dynamic videos, perfect for storefronts, ads, and social, without adding video production time.
The final result is a complete, scalable marketing pipeline, from product launch to multi-channel campaigns, delivered faster and at a fraction of the traditional cost. Now let's move on to real estate. And where better to begin than with the listing photos, which are often a buyer's first look at a property. In real estate, visuals often make the first impression, from listing photos and property signage to virtual staging previews and online promotions. But creating these polished visuals can be a challenge. Staging is expensive, clutter can be difficult to remove from photos, and it is not always easy to help clients visualize specific furniture pieces or design styles in a space.
This is where PhotoDirector can make a real difference. It makes it easy for real estate teams to enhance property photos, remove distractions, and digitally update interiors without the cost of physical staging or extra photo shoots. The AI-powered tools are simple to use, so you don't need design expertise to create polished, professional-looking visuals. That means you can quickly produce listing photos and customize design concepts that help buyers better visualize the space while also saving time, reducing cost, and creating more engaging marketing assets for every property. So let's dive in right now. Let's start with Edit by Chat. Listing photos often come with clutter that makes rooms feel smaller than they actually are. Instead of manually editing, I can simply describe the result I want, like clearing the room or opening up the space. And PhotoDirector handles it instantly.
Wow, those results leave a much stronger first impression, allowing potential buyers to get a much clearer understanding of the space.
Now, if we want to take it further, Gen AI Studio gives us the ability to completely reimagine the space. Using AI Replace, we can update furniture, swap decor, or even turn an unstyled room into something that feels fully staged and ready for market. Or if the goal is to clean up things, Generative Remove makes it easy to eliminate distractions like personal items or imperfections in seconds, helping the property feel more polished and moved in ready.
For real estate teams, that means faster turnaround on listings and the flexibility to present properties in multiple styles without additional cost.
And for quick refinements, guided editing keeps things simple. You can crop to pull focus and attention and use the non-generative AI Remove tool to touch up minor details. Then enhance colors to make images stand out and even replace the sky to create the right mood for your listings. Even without editing experience, it only takes a few adjustments to turn standard photos into high-impact marketing assets that help buyers better visualize the space.
Those guided edits are running locally on a Dell Copilot PC powered by Intel Core Ultra processors, taking advantage of both the GPU and NPU for faster and more efficient performance than ever before. These recipes mean less time you have to spend preparing content, fresher listings, and lower costs. In education, strong visuals can shape a child's first connection to a lesson and spark interest. But creating a consistent series of character-led video lessons takes time, effort, and creative expertise, especially when the goal is to make learning both entertaining and easy to understand.
PowerDirector makes that process much easier. It removes much of the time, complexity, and creative barrier involved in producing character-led educational videos, making it easy for anyone to create engaging cartoon lessons. With AI-powered tools and an intuitive workflow, educators and content creators can quickly build consistent, entertaining videos that make learning easier to follow and more fun for kids. Let's start by creating a character. With PowerDirector's image generation tools, we can design a cartoon teacher or mascot that becomes the face of the lesson, helping create consistency across an entire series. Next, we record the lesson directly on device using PowerDirector's screen recorder. You can capture your on-screen presentation, your webcam, or both, keeping the process simple and all in one place.
And with Intel Core Ultra processors, that recording and AI processing happens efficiently on device, delivering smooth performance and quick turnaround for educators.
Once recorded, text-based editing lets us refine the lesson quickly. Instead of working through a timeline, we can edit using a transcript, cutting and shaping the content without needing even basic video editing skills. Now we can bring the character to life. With Character Motion Swap, we transfer our expressions and movement onto the cartoon teacher, turning a standard recording into something much more engaging for students.
You just recorded a lesson and turned it into a fully edited animated character video within minutes, all without needing advanced editing or animation experience. That's impressive.
We aren't done yet. To match the character, AI Voice Changer transforms the voice to be something more age-appropriate and friendly, helping the lesson feel cohesive and approachable. And for broader accessibility, AI Voice Translator allows us to generate additional language versions without re-recording, making it easy to support multilingual classrooms.
The result is a scalable way to produce consistent, engaging educational content that can reach more students across more formats with less effort.
Today's lesson is about diet. What is a diet? The diet is what an animal eats to live and grow. Herbivores eat only plants. La lección de hoy es sobre la dieta. ¿Qué es una dieta? Una dieta es lo que un animal come para vivir y crecer. Los herbívoros solo comen plantas.
Today's recipes showed how AI adapts across industries, from online storefronts to real estate to classrooms.
CyberLink delivers the creative intelligence. Dell provides the platform.
And Intel Core Ultra processors make it possible with powerful, efficient, on-device AI acceleration.
One AI kitchen, endless use cases.
Thanks for joining us in the Dell AI Kitchen. We'll see you next time.